me sweating, shaking in my skin. No one tries to find beginnings and ends. As sad as it seems, you turn blue in my dreams. As sad as it seems, you turn blue in my dreams.
What's up? It's me. It's raining, and plants are getting some good water and stuff. I guess it's about watermelon plants. And I got some peppers and all kinds of stuff back there. But yeah, it's Friday, so you know what that means. We're gonna go fly a drone like usual. So yeah, I went out and took a peek at this storm before it blew up and got here. And I've got some DVR of me ripping the yard yesterday, and then a sunset from like yesterday or the day before. But yeah, so it should be pretty fun. But yeah, let's go watch all that stuff. Woo!
Stay killed.
if you made it this far. I super duper really appreciate that. There's a lot of DVR drone footage to get through, or skip through, whichever one you want. Doesn't matter to me. But yeah, go check out the merch store. I don't have Patreon. I don't ask people to subscribe. So if you want to support my channel, maybe go order something from the website if you want. You don't have to. It just helps this channel out. But yeah, also shout out to all these pilots wherever they land on the screen. But yeah, thanks for watching my dumb drone show on the internet, and fuck, I'll let you guys enjoy those awesome lives, man. Y'all have a good one.
Hey chicken, watch this!
I'm watching.